Hello, 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 and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, it is great honor that you have visited this YouTube channel. Let me give you an overview of my channel so that you can use this channel better for clearing PMP. And let me say this in clear words. If you use this channel, as I'm gonna say, you can easily pass the PMP. All the content that you need to pass for PMP exam, we have it here, all of it for free. So if you come to YouTube channel, you will look like this. Go to the playlist. In the playlist, there are many playlists, but few of the playlists are extremely important for your PMP exam. The most important playlist is this journey playlist. In this playlist, I have put down all the topics of PMP. Not important, all the topic. How to handle change request, work performance data, deliverable, stakeholder, team, risk, procurement, quality, scope, communication, then process-wise, schedule, cost, agile, yes, agile, business environment, integration, people. So if you watch these first 17 videos of this entire journey playlist, all the topics of PMP will be revised. So very, very important. You don't miss anything in this playlist. Now go to back to YouTube or you go to my channel again. For me, I can directly go to my channel here. The second playlist, very important. This overall videos. Now, in these overall videos, I summarize the entire PMP in 1 or 2 hours. Like the first is 1 hour, 50 minute, 48. This one is very good, 33. This one is 48, then 2 hour plus, 2 hour plus. So whichever video you like, you can watch. I highly recommend you watch this batch 11 video, batch 12, and this 33-minute video because they gives the domain in a different point of view. So that is very important. Once you have watched these videos, I will also give you a sequence how to watch these videos. Okay, so you go back to the channel, the playlist. Here you have the coaching calls. In coaching calls, we have uploaded more than 108. We actually have more than 124, but some of them are not uploaded. So watch coaching call after, I would say, coaching call number, let's put it 50. Because before that, these coaching calls were more of 2020. After coaching call number from, you can start from coaching call number 50. Okay, you can start watching coaching call number from 50, and you can watch as many as you can. In these coaching call, I solve exam like question with the students. Yes, exam like questions. So you have all these coaching call like 50 to 108, or if you don't have time, you can actually watch from 90 to 108, whatever you want. You can also start working from towards backward. Then I have another interesting important playlist for you, and that is web episodes. Yes, in these web episodes, we actually share the journey of certified PM, how they cleared PMP exam. So here, the first one is Hasti sharing is in a journey almost a year ago. That's when actually I started recording journey. And we also have the journey of people who cleared even yesterday. I'm posting this video on 4th of November. So even yesterday, how they are cleared. So in this way, one place for entire PMP. You get data to understand the PMP. You get data to understand the material of the PMP. You get data for the question. So everything is provided at one platform. So if you're visiting it for the first time or you're a regular visitor, do subscribe this channel. Like when you subscribe the channel, I get more and more people can get through this, and you can get notification. Do click that bell icon. Let me show you how to do that if you are new to YouTube. So do click this like button also and share it with other people. If you like that video, that is also very important, and you will get a notification. Like I have received notification when people are commenting here, you will comment on that and I will receive a notification and I can reply you. So guys, do subscribe this channel, do like and share those videos. That is very important. Now let me give you idea how to use this playlist in the best possible way for preparing of PMP exam. Now this can become even a roadmap if you are preparing for yourself. First, watch the overall video, whichever you want to watch. First, watch the overall video, first video. Then watch all the journalist videos. Then watch 2 or 3 web episodes, the latest one, to get the inside of what the PMP exam is all about. Then again, watch journalist videos, very important. Then start watching coaching calls, okay? And then finally again watch one more overall video. And this way your entire PMP will be covered like 2 to 3 times. Like in the minimum possible time. In 2 to 3 times you will have watched the entire PMP, and will have done the questions of the from coaching calls, and that's it. The easiest way to prepare for PMP exam. And once again, do subscribe it, like it, and share it with other people. Whenever you want to ask me any question, you can always put on the comments. I always reply all the comments. Even you subscribe, does not subscribe, I will always reply to all the comments that they put. Now, just try to be specific on PMP or PMI certification, because that's what we are more looking for. Sometimes I do put motivational videos because sometimes you do need the motivations to keep moving forward, to understand how these things are. This channel has been created for you. Use it, get benefit from it, and become certified PMP. And if you become certified PMP, do tell me. I would love to share your journey. I love to record the journey of all the certified PMP. Till then, bye-bye and become a certified PMP.